Welcome back once again. Today we are discussing class 10 CBSE Mathematics important questions and solutions and the chapter pair of linear equations with two variables. The question is a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. Now let x be the numerator, x be the numerator of the fraction and y be the denominator of the fraction. Now our fraction is x by y. This is our fraction. According to condition 1, the fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from numerator, that is x minus 1 divided by y is equal to 1 by 3. So we cross multiply 3 into x minus 1 is equal to y, or 3x minus 3 is equal to y, or 3x minus y is equal to 3. This is equation 1. As per condition 2, the fraction becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator, that is x by y plus 8 is equal to 1 by 4. Again cross multiply, we get 4x is equal to y plus 8, or we can write 4x minus y is equal to 8. So this is the second equation. Now we have two linear equations, that is 3x minus y is equal to 3 and 4x minus y is equal to 8. Now subtract 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1, we will get x is equal to 5. Now substitute x is equal to 5 in equation 1. We will get 3 into 5 minus y is equal to 3. That is 15 minus y is equal to 3, or y is equal to 15 minus 3, that is equal to 12. Hence we get x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 12. Hence our fraction is 5 by 12. This is the final answer. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12.